Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I figured I would do a full face of nothing new. I did see this video going around YouTube, but I kind of figured it'll be so much fun because you guys know I'm trying to dive back into like my old makeup products because new ones just keep hitting the market all the time, and I just kind of feel like sometimes it's good to just slow down and just use what's in your collection. So I did create this makeup look right here, playing with a bunch of high-end products and drugstore products, and I wanted to incorporate high-end products because you guys always see drugstore products on my channel, so the bulk of my products are going to be high-end. However, I did throw a few drugstore products in the mix as well, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and of course you guys enjoyed this look right here. If you do, be sure to give the video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Alright you guys, so starting off with my first product, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. You guys know this product used to be an OG here on YouTube so many years ago, so just going to use it as my eyeshadow primer and just see what happens. I don't use it as often as I should because I love my Lorac behind the scenes eyeshadow primer, but this is still a really good primer nonetheless. I just like what I like, but it's still a really good primer if you like to prime your eyes before you apply your eyeshadow. Alright, so diving into my palette, this part was really hard in terms of like picking because I love eyeshadow palettes, and you guys know my collection in terms of like drugstore is a lot versus high-end, so I opted for a high-end eyeshadow palette. That way it wouldn't be so hard to choose from, and I opted for the Pure Visionary eyeshadow palette. Here's the actual packaging for it. You can actually find Pure at Ulta or Kohl's, and then on the back it actually shows you the different colors and the name of the eyeshadow palette. Alright, going back into the palette, I think I'm going to take this really pretty like peachy color, which is called Pioneer. It's like a light pinky peachy kind of color, and just throw that onto my lid. I actually changed the plans. I'm going to take the one called Icon. It's that really pretty pink color. Just going to use Icon instead. Going into the palette, I'm going to take that really pretty mauvey color. It's a matte purple color. It's called Rebel right here. Just going to throw it into my outer V. All right, now I'm gonna take the color called Pioneer and put it over my lids. Alright you guys, so diving into the face, I am so excited because I haven't played with these products in so long. So in terms of my actual primer, it's going to be the Becca Backlight Prime and Filter, which looks like this. I have a really small size and I forgot where I got this from, but yeah, definitely excited to use this product. If you guys don't know what this product is, it's supposed to be a primer, but it gives your skin a nice glow. So it's supposed to give it like a nice like filter look to your face. Here is what the product look like. So definitely if you have dry skin, I would say to consider it because we all love a good glow to our skin so it doesn't look like dry and like flat. And even though this product gives your skin like a nice glow underneath your foundation, because I do have dry skin, I like to use something else on top of it because this primer alone doesn't make my skin feel moisturized or hydrated. So I will go in with my Smashbox primer water just to give it like some extra assistance. That way it doesn't look like dull, even though I know it wouldn't look dull, but again, I have dry skin, so I need something that's really moisturizing. Again, this product gives it a nice glow. I need moisture and hydration, so I will use my Smashbox primer water on top of it. And I'm going to let that sink in. Alright, so foundation. I'm going to use my Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. I haven't used this product in so freaking long. I think I'm gonna need to get a new one because I've had this product for quite a while, but I am going to use it. I have it in the color called Macao. So yeah, let's just put this product back to use. When I did use it, I did enjoy using it. I don't know why I stopped. Like, to be honest, I don't know why I stopped using it. I purchased it and I used it and I just stopped using it. So I wanted to use it again to just kind of see how I feel about it because I haven't used it in so long and nothing is coming out. Alright you guys, so here is what the skin is looking like. Either mine is empty or it's like super goopy because the struggle was real trying to get this product out. So I think it might be empty, so I might need to purchase a new one. But here is what the skin is looking like. Looking super dewy, which I love. And it looks hydrated. So moving on into my concealer, I'm going to stick with Nars. Again, I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I did get a newer color when I was working at Sephora. So the color I have now is going to be Walnut. And here is what the packaging looked like. Y'all know this concealer is very creamy and easy to blend under the eyes. So I'm just going to apply it. All right, and then to set under my eyes, I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I told you guys I purchased the travel size when I first purchased this product, so haven't used it in almost like a couple months now, so I will use that today as my loose setting powder to set under my eyes. And then for my face powder, I'm just gonna take the Makeup Forever Dual Matte Powder. I have mine in the shade 214. Here is the packaging for it. Y'all know I haven't used this product in so long because I have been killing my NYX no filter face powder. So just gonna pull this out for the purpose of this video. And I'm pretty much about to hit pan. Like, can y'all see that? Like, it's pretty much almost over. So I guess I should just go ahead and finish this product up because I'm pretty much almost over with it. Maybe I'll add it to like my shop my stash for next month. Alright, and then for my bronzer, I do have by Black Radiance. It's going to be the True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I don't have the newest one because I think that one is called like Deep Dark. And this one pretty much works fine for my skin tone. So I'm just gonna take this one to contour. I'm gonna take the contour shade in here because that's going to be the one for me to use to get some nice depth to my face. But I can't be super heavy with it because it's really dark. Alright you guys, so for my blush, I'm just going to take the Black Radiance blush. It's going to be the one called Warm Berry. It's a really pretty like mauvey kind of color. So pretty for like your deeper skin tones, and they're super pigmented. So don't let the fact that it's a baked blush fool you in terms of pigmentation because it's really pigmented. All right, and then for highlighter, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Glow Kit. I have not used this product in so long. I'm just gonna dive into it. I'm gonna take the color called Golden Bronze. It's that really pretty color right there. Just gonna apply it to the high points of my cheeks. And I don't know why I don't use it as often as I should. I don't know, I just don't use it. So I'm gonna use it today. All right, and then for my lips, I'm just gonna take my favorite MAC lipstick. It's going to be the MAC Matte Formula. It's gonna be in the color called Persistence. Here it is right here. This color is so pretty. This color is so pretty. When I use it, I don't have to pair it with anything else because it wears on its own really nicely. So I would definitely say check out MAC Persistence. Hopefully they still sell it because it's like a OG product in my collection, but y'all, I just love the color so much. So pretty. Alright, so here's the lip color on its own. So you guys will see it's a really pretty like nudie color. Like it's like the perfect nude, like the perfect nude. So I'm gonna top it off because you guys know I love to top off my lip products with a lip gloss or like a lip topper. So I'm gonna take the NYX Lingerie. It's going to be the Glitter in Honeymoon. This one isn't like an OG product in my collection. However, it's not like a 2019 product either. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my lip topper. All right, you guys, this is pretty much the completed look right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun diving into like some old products, and it kind of made me like re-fall in love with some products over again because I haven't touched them in so long. So it's one of those things where you have to kind of like get yourself to go back and play with old makeup because you just forget how great they are because new products always come in the market. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I want to do it one more time just using like strictly all high-end because I did a mixture of like high-end and drugstore, but I think the next time I'm gonna do strictly all high-end products because I haven't played with high-end makeup in so long on my channel. The majority of them were high-end, but I had I think 3 drugstore products incorporated within the video. So the next time I do it, I will do strictly a full face of high-end makeup products to give you guys just a look with some high-end products. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give it 2 thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.